You're wasting hours on copy that doesn't convert. But with the right AI prompts, you can write winning content in minutes. Even if you're not a pro, most people think they need to be great writers. They don't. They just need better instructions for the AI. According to recent surveys, over 82% of marketers say they're using AI, but less than 10% are getting high-converting results. That gap? It's the prompt. Let's fix that today. Prompt 1. The Pain Plus Promise Opener. Instead of asking AI to write a blog intro, say this. Write a hook that starts with a relatable pain, followed by a bold promise of transformation. This instantly connects with your reader and gives them a reason to keep going. Prompt 2. The 3-line Instagram caption formula. Prompt AI like this. Give me a 3-line caption. First line scroll-stopping hook, second line relatable truth, third line soft call to action. This turns casual scrollers into engaged followers. Prompt 3. The AIDA email prompt. Say, write a short sales email using the AIDA model. Attention, interest, desire, and action in under 120 words. This works like magic for cold emails and product launches. Want a bonus? Inside AI Creator Max, we've built tools that use these prompts automatically, so you can skip the guesswork and get results fast. Just choose a template, input a few words, click Generate, and you're done. No need to memorize formulas. You just plug and play. If this was helpful, hit like and drop a comment about which prompt you're trying first. Make sure to subscribe for more quick wins. This video is part of a full mini course on AI copywriting. Next up, how to turn these prompts into passive income streams. Try AI Creator Max for free at aicreatormax.com and start writing smarter today.